Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making Mizeria. What is Mizeria? It is a Polish salad. So what goes into Mizeria? 4 to 5 cucumbers thinly sliced, 3 to 4 radishes thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons green onions finely chopped. I hope I got enough. 2 tablespoons fresh dill chopped, 1 cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. All I have is Miracle Whip, so that's going to have to do. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons salt, and 1/2 tablespoon sugar, and this is optional. So let's begin. So you want to put your sliced up cucumbers in a colander that's either in the sink or over a bowl, and then sprinkle the salt on it. And let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to draw out all the juices from the cucumbers. In a large bowl, go ahead and put your sour cream, your mayonnaise, and I'm using Miracle Whip because I don't have any mayonnaise. And that is 1 cup of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar if you're going to be using it. This one's optional. And then whisk it together. And that looks pretty good. Then add the cucumbers and the radishes, the green onions, and the fresh dill. And then go ahead and toss until everything is thoroughly combined. It's all thoroughly mixed, and we'll go ahead and cover it up and chill it until supper. Alright, so here is the Mizeria, and rounding off the meal is a Polish kielbasa sausage.
The salad?
It's called Mizeria. It's a Polish salad.
Very crunchy. It's a cucumber?
Cucumber. Mizeria means, in Polish, it means cucumbers in sour cream.
Oh, okay.
And there's radishes in there.
Yeah, I can see those. Okay, well, I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.